Welcome back. Do every damn thing in the world not because you have to, but because you want to. That is the topic for today. How many of you are excited? I am excited, guys. Yes. Okay, so what is this about? Let's suppose you are in a job, or maybe you're running a business. Do you do what you want to do, or do you do what someone asked you to do? I think most of us will do what was told to us because we have to do that. If I don't do this work, I'll be not getting good hike. So if I don't do this work, I will probably not be getting my promotion. Or if I don't do this work, I'll not be surviving in the market if you're doing a business. Or if I don't do this something or other, I'll not earn money. If that is what the mindset, then this is the time to stop that mindset. If you are doing things because you have to do, then that will build a lot of stress, and eventually you might end up doing that, but eventually you will not be happy. You will not be happy really, because someone is telling you what to do, and you are just doing that because you have to do. So that will not give you happiness. But if you start doing things which you want to do, then definitely you will be the most happiest person. For example, let's say on one day I want to go out somewhere and do something, but suddenly I'll get a call from my boss or maybe my vendor saying, okay, you have to do this today. Without this, you will not be able to go out or maybe make money. Then what will happen to you? What will happen to your thought process? You will be stressed. You will not be happy because you are doing what somebody asked you to do. Because you have to do that. There is no other way. But if you start doing what you want to do, then you will be happy. You might ask me a question, Shiva, how can I do what I want to do? Because I am in a job or maybe I am doing a business, so I am dependent on others. So I have to do what others tell me. Yes, you have to do what others tell you. But you own that. You take that activity, see what is that in that is going to add value to you. If you are doing that, so what kind of importance you can give to that activity is what determines whether you will be happy or unhappy. So do this only because you want to do. Don't just do that like with us because somebody asked you to do. For example, I'll take another example. Let's say somebody want to probably become a doctor because he want to become a doctor, but his parents asked him to become an engineer, and there is no other go. He have to study well, and then he became an engineer. Maybe eventually he'll make money, he'll have a good family, and he'll be running good income. But do you think he'll be happy? He might be looking happy outside, but he'll definitely not happy inside because he was told what he have to do, but ultimately he did not do what he want to do. So this is a key principle, guys. I know many of us are in the same kind of situation where we are doing what we have to do. So think about that, like when you do something next time or when you are going to start something new next time, see whether is this really you want to do or is it something you have to do. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much.